Yeah, we don't turn down for Egor local government council area where we say today we say make we sit down with honorable executive chairman of the local government, we all of now know as Eghe, and a popular name now Ogbemudia, which is the surname. Today, now the Easter Gbedu wey she do for all primary school children for the local government, and not be small party with this things. And we go say make she chook mouth for some things wey prompt am, wey push am to go do that kind of party. Wey be say never Shele before for this state, it never happened before. We dey hear Easter Gbedu, and one of the TV stations for Edo State, now they always do that in every year. And today, the council chairman come break the matter. Come make sure say Egor children not go that Gbedu today. And we go say make she chook mouth, wait to push am, wait make am to celebrate her. So we go say make we ask, Madam Eghe, we dey here today, no need for you to introduce yourself to the people again. Everybody don't know you. Be like the face of Edo and the face of Egor, now you be. So wait to carry your mind reach the level of this nature where you take do this party today.
You know, say every year, like you talk, you get one TV station where they do Easter Gbedu. And most of the time, now big men children, they go there. I never really see public school children where they go. And you know, say this our public school. Now most of the children where they go there, now less privileged children, and they know book well. Even self to me, I believe say even this our public school even better past private school. You see what happened there today when they talk. You yourself you surprised. But when I look at Easter Gbedu, now I can't tell my people say last time when I felt be chairman, which is my first tenure, NTA can they do Christmas one Christmas thing they do for children. Now I can't still do Egor for Egor children too. I can't select children we read book well, we pass the exam well. But this time around, I can't say, okay, this Easter Gbedu, it good make my children feel am. The children of Egor local government. And we get 18 schools for this Egor local government. Now I can't call the LEA secretary. I tell and say, all the schools, 18 schools, about 15 schools inside, make them bring 30 children. Then one school, make it bring 50. Not be say I did partial, that one at the school where me I built for my first tenure, what would they call up by AYE, the second. So now I can't say the other one will be say the school far, where, you know, as made them bring 10. So those ones can bring 10, which 3 schools can bring 30. Then the other schools can bring 30 plus 50. So we can't count them together. Everything can be 500 children. So now I say today, I go make them experience waiting big my children. The experience if they go outside now, you know, make them dey happy, make them feel am, you know, so that make they go remember say yes the time where Ogbemudia be council chairman for Egor, see wetin the experience make it dey for their memory for their all their life when they don't grow up, make them know say yes wetin other children they enjoy as them be big men children they where come from less privileged home like a middle class home, they still enjoy them today. All those things now make me do them, make my children feel good, you know, because those children for our public school, they know book well, they really know book. So I encourage them. You know, say me, I go private school, then from there my man a teacher. I can't when we come move come Egor, I can't go public school which is the Daken primary school. So today even the Daken primary school everybody then dey here. So you know me say if you go public school you know if you become better person. To me if you watch people will be better people for this country then go public school. So all those things now really make me want do one for our children, make them feel am. Make sure say they eat, then drink, then take away go as, then take souvenir and go as. So anytime, any day they go they remember. The souvenir we will give them this water bottle. When they take they drink water, they go no say yes. Now when they go Easter Fiesta, we will do for Egor local government, where they call Easter Gbedu. Now there now they get this souvenir. They go they remember me. They remember say yes, that woman. For Egor local government, because you know say you know if you do council 3 times na my second ten ure be this. I no go come back again for council. So make dem feel me well and make dem know say yes, poor man pikin fit become better pass big man pikin for this country. Because if you look am, all the people wey make money for this country today, most of them go public school.
Oh yeah, make them feel you know, they come for the third ten ure again. That's make I chook mouth for this area. Because na question where everybody they ask, and at the chorus where most of una they always they talk for council and government, especially this Edo State. How you take they see money where you take they do all these things? Because I don't want chook mouth for so many things where you don't do. But this particular one, with my rough estimate when I look yours now, both the bag and all those things we then do and the rest, and money I pass them. How you take they see money where you take they do something for your local government?
Money they come now. When money come and with the wrong revenue, so our revenue is good well for Egor. Thank God to the HOD revenue where they always a day for street. Because I they tell them, say you know say na only revenue money now we take the work. When allocation come, once we don't pay salary, do all the deductions wey remain, anything wey remain we take and take dey run the council. So if you wan do project, you wan do things, you need to run revenue. So we dey run revenue. I no forget say I be woman. No say woman we know how to manage. No say if na man now, maybe you don get 3 girlfriend, get 4 girlfriend, you go need to buy one iPhone, buy the other one. But for me na only me, I no dey spend money for apart from my people. Na people wey I know say you need them, na dey spend am for. So we women we know how to manage. Like you will be man now. May dem give you 100,000 naira now, make you go market. You know if you buy better thing come house. But if you give 100,000 to woman take go market, house go full. So now that nature we get of management. So you not change anything. Everybody get your own way of doing things. You know say me come from big home now. Me get pedigree. Me I no won't do anything we go spoil my papa name. Because now that my good papa name. Now put me for this council. So me, I want leave legacy. Go be say if I come out, people go they remember me. Because I don't know whether my children will come play politics tomorrow. I never know. But if they don't even come, but make I leave that mark down. Say yes. As I come become council chairman. Say I no spoil my papa name, Samuel Ogbemudia name. And for the governor, will help me to make sure say I come council. And I dey go now for my second tenure, make you see the work when I dey do. You understand? You know, somebody come just now come greet us. He say now wow. He say every day then they talk about you, Ogbemudia, Ogbemudia. I say I be the kind woman where they succeed and where they survive during crisis. No matter the crisis, my brother, I dey survive am. Because at that time when they fight me, they even give me opportunity to work more. You know, say that kind of thing. So because like I said, that they always tell people say I they like me people they criticize me. Because when they criticize me, now they feel know what I need to do. Because if you not criticize me, my eye, not they feel see everything for outside. I be not be so. Because if you send person go out now, they go check something for you for outside. Come back, want make you hear what you go sweet you for belly. No, I won't be that kind of person. I will go there by myself, go use my eyes see am. Because beneath can make parable or who not get bomb eye or walk kissing. So now you send yourself, now they better pass. So that's why I say am.
Make I carry your leg enter this party where you do today. Where be say it be like or you know the way beneath people they talk how you want it sustainable before you finish your tenure, and waiting will make sure say you put them for ground in case of anybody turn your successor to continuously, because this trend don't take this thing, they will continue. How you plan them?
You know, say everybody get your own mind, everybody get your own idea. The person will go take over from me, maybe he will get your own idea, go to remember him. You know, say this kind of thing where I do so. Now, let me say, not be infrastructure, not be building where they build down. When you go build and finish, you go live on there. Say maybe the person where they come if you spoil go repair them. Not be so. This one are to give the children life, to make them feel say yes, then they important. So anybody where they come, you go there for our high. Anytime where you come, make it look am. And the people where we go live for here for council, you know, say we not public servant, they be civil servant. Then go fit tell them say, see wetin Ogbemudia do, where people like them. say as they like children, they love children, they do things for children. So if that person get the love for children and get love for other people, he go do am. So I no go fit tell be the person wey go take over from me go do am, because everybody mind dey different. How many people dey do am now?
Okay, your children will come today, and just more advice. How to make you give them?
All my children wey come today for Egor local government, I wan use this opportunity to take beg una. I wan make una dey read una book well, make una dey lis ten to una teachers, make una remember today. And those children wey win, wey dance today, wey win the competition, and I wan make dem continue, make dem dey put everything wey dem get into their studies, because oyibo talk am say education is knowledge. But one thing be say everybody dey wey dey educated. Some dey educated, dem no know wetin to do. E get one person when he talk one day, he say some people get master's degree, some people get PhD. Now I say when you wan become, you wan serve people, no be the PhD wey you get na they wan see o. Na wetin you do for the people na they wan see. So I wan tell all my children of Egor local government, the ones wey come now, if another one day wey we go celebrate, we go still select other children to come, so that everybody go fit enjoy together. But not be everybody I fit invite today. Na the ones wey I fit cater for today na I do today, which is over 500 children. Then two teachers from each of the school, all the head teachers, and some committee wey still join. So I wan thank everybody for una support wey take make this party to succeed today. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
We don't hear from the horse's mouth, and she don't let una understand, say, the thing not be stressed to run. I just brain in the use, and we even money on day in the apply knowledge to make sure say things work, you know. So you see, and as everybody, we don't listen to her well. She don't chook man for so many areas, but we don't want carry leg enter that devil which they do for the local government. I will say we concentrate for the party matter. All of us see today waiting happen today. Now watch them, now listening, and you see, Nashiba herself share all the things which she bring. She not give a contractor to anybody. You know, when you contract and the person you see Lalubosmo, she by herself share everything. She make sure say everybody collect, both the teachers and the children when they come. We can't jollificate with her today. And she said that she be the best woman today where they happy. That if she reach us today, she go rest well because her mind go dey cool and say she do party for the children. And today Monday, where they call Easter Monday, where everybody celebrates. Now, holiday, all of us stay here today. I say my name still remain Nusa Eghe, where everybody know for TMC TV radio. Thank you very much.